Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you how we can connect our Delta VFD model C-2000 with the Fatek PLC via RS485 communication, and how can set the frequency from the HMI and read the frequency from VFD using Wintic HMI model 8071 IP. So let's get started. First of all, we will open our WinProladder software, and here is already I designed this RS485 communication program. I will just explain you because of in previous video already I explained about how we can make the setting for RS485 program and how can run the VFD. But in this video we will focus on how we can set the data from the HMI. So let's first open the table. This table which is we created for this one test table for the RS485 communication, and this datas already I explained this how these datas are from where coming and how we can write and how we can add. For example, you like to add more, this is we made for two VFDs, but we will now test now just one VFD by the HMI. So this first data we choose for 408193 to the run command of the VFD R4, and this R5 we choose for 408194 for the frequency setting of the VFD, and this third one we used for read command, read value from the VFD 408452. This is the frequency feedback from the VFD. So just remind this four datas R4, 5 and 6. These three datas we will use in the HMI. So let's first this one we use the move command. How can take the move command? Just go to the function here and click it here, and here you can set after you write the move, after you can get the block. For example, I will delete this one and again I will show you. Just this one delete, and if you like to select this one, click function here, and if not have here anything in the box, you can also take from here move command. Here I show you in the compare data arithmetic, I think so. Sorry, not arithmetic, logic operation. Basic, yeah, in the basic also you can find this one. You can see the move, or also you can write it here, just mov move, and after you will get this command, and here you have to be write the data which you like to be moved. For example, I like to move the 18 value, because of when we put in the data 18 in R4 after our VFD runs in the clockwise, means forward command. I will show you in the status. If now status is now deleted, but this is R4. You think about this, R4 is our VFD command, reverse and forward. So when we move this 18 into R4, our VFD will be runs forward. When we move the 34 in R4, after our VFD will be runs in the reverse mode, and when we move the 1 in R4, this is VFD will be stop. So this two internal memory bits we will write in the HMI, and this R4 is already here. When we press this one, it will be automatically move the value 18 when we M100 press, and when we M200 press, after 34 will be move in the R4, and when we press this one M300, this one value will be move in the R4, and this is M400. I just use the close contact because no need to make it on and off. Just when you type in the R5 any value, means 10 hertz if you like to be right, you have to be write the R50 1000. After this value will be moved in the R5. So how this status we can write in the HMI? So let's go into the HMI. I will just make this one online because of our now HMI is connected or not. Well, first I have to be connect my HMI PLC cable. I will show you also online. This is first. Go to the auto check and COM4. If your cable is connected with your PC, it will be shown it here, and click it OK. Okay, again click yes, and your program will be start downloading into the PLC. Okay, and click it OK, and now your PLC is now in online mode. So now this program is ready. Just if you like to be check it from here, when you make it on this one, and after your drive will be on. Okay, and which value is set it in the your R50, that speed will be run. So just first make it on this M0. I will make it on, and you can see our motor will be started. And as when I off this one, and as I make it on this M300, our VFD will be stop. So now our program is properly clear. So we go to the HMI, scroll down this program and open the Easy Builder. Already here I created this program. Just I will show you, because of we will save our time. This is video will be go too much lengthy. I will just explain you, and after you will be understand. First of all, how you make the new program, new HMI created. Just go to the home, system parameters, and here you can see which is model you have, TK8071 I have, so I select this one. And next you have to be select this one from the main page. If you like, I will cancel this one, same like parameter settings, and this I will delete first, no problem. How can delete this? I will delete this one, and this is also we can delete. This I think so cannot be delete because of here model. Yeah, here you can like to be a change model, you can select it from here. Which model you have, you can select it here. Okay, and that's click it OK. And after, oh sorry, this one go back again, and here you have to be click on new device server. After you can choose the PLC, which PLC you are using. I am using this Fatek PLC. Here all models of the PLCs are available. This is the Fatek Automation. Just click it on this one, FB FS this series. After you will be got this and connection we are choosing RS232. And if you would like to go to the settings, COM1 9600 band rate 8 bits, this is 7 bit also you can choose, and even 1 bit, and click it OK. And this also click it OK, this also click it OK. And here next you have to be design in your HMI. For example, if you color want to change this background color of your HMI, so go to the attributes, and here you have to be choose which color you like. For example, this green I choose, click it OK, and you will see this is the background is green. And here you have to be design your buttons. I make this big buttons because of in the camera we can see the easily. Now first old color is red in the HMI, but we will change this green color. I will download and show you. First of all, this button how we can choose, just go to the home, and here you can see this is the box there is a all buttons and numeric entries and everything is shown here. Just you have to be go this one, and you can see this is the set word. We have to be the see the set bit. Go to this set bit and click it on this one. This interface will be open, and here you have to be give the address which you like to on off. This address you have to be give. For example, I need M100. I will type it here M100, but I already this is designed this button, and M100 you can see it here. M100 is also shown. Okay, and after this is, if you like to this write inside this text, go to the label, and here when you write this is forward or what you like to be write, and click OK, and this your button will be written. After you can make this one copy and paste here. For example, I like to make this copy, just make it copy, and here when I paste, after you can see one more button is ready. So I no need more button. So this one button is for forward we used, and one button we used for reverse. And just only focus on the addresses. This is addresses I give 100, and this address we give 200. Okay, and this address I give for 300. You can see this is a 300, and the type of button you can choose it from here. If you like to make set on, you can choose set on. If you like to make set off, you can set off. If you toggle button, choose toggle button. Momentary, if you like, you can choose the momentary and click it OK. Okay, and next this one button we made for M0 toggle button. I will show you this. You can see I choose this one toggle, and this is the M0. Why this M0? Because of our main program here, this one for on command. When I start this one, after our main all program will be start, right? And this numeric entries, where you can choose the numeric entries, just this one, where is the type, the 99, double click it on this one. After you will find this interface R6. Here you have to be give the address, and if you like to be set value, you have to be uncheck mark this one, no sorry, check mark this one. And if you no like to write something, you can remove this. We no need to write any data in this R6 because of this the feedback from our VFD. So no need allow input, click it OK, and this will be OK. And here we have to be in this is coming button. I will delete this one, no problem. This we have to be make the settings for this button and click OK. And this is we have to be make for write the data in the R5. You can see this is the R5, and click OK. If you like to be change this shape also, you can change the shapes here, and also shape gallery also you can choose. Whatever you like to make, you can make, and click it OK. This is have one more tag. This is old. With this we will be delete, no problem. And this where you like to be arrange in the buttons and these tags in the HMI, you can align at your own choice. Also, if you like to make company name or something, just go to this A, and after here you can write any. For example, I will write my company name, and click it OK. And where you like to be place it, this one you can place this one. Okay, and just go to the project, and here you can download to the HMI, and here you can see it's if check mark automatically, it will be automatically connect and download the program. I will show you in the camera also. You can see downloading files in the HMI directly. When all finished, after you can go into the exit. Now your program is ready in the HMI. It will be shown after second. You can see this is the reverse and forward and stop button, and this numeric entry is not shown because of we still not connect our HMI cable. Now we will check this is communicate. This all finished. Now exit yani. This which data we like to write the value. This is the read the value, this is the write the value. So again we will check our HMI. Now it's 2000. We will change this data for 1 2 3 4 if I like to be right. Now it's ready, means 12 hertz and 34 12 hertz and 12.34 hertz we are right in the VFD. So as we start forward, our motor will be start and our value will be shown. This is the feedback. How much we set the frequency, that frequency will be shown in the HMI. And if you like to be change this value, for example 1500, we will like to be changed after this VFD goes at the 1000 10 hertz and 10.5 hertz. How this data we can change this one also I explain you. This we have to be use the math function in the PLC. I have to be change this data here. For example, this is R50, and if you like to be direct type this 10 hertz in your HMI. So what we will do, we have to be just the multiplication command have to be used. Just click it here, and here you can use this MUL when you write. After you can got the multiplication command and click it OK. And here where we like to be write the value, for example we have to be write the value at the R50. So here we will choose which value we like to be write. For example R100 I will choose R100, and we will multiply with the 100, means yani if we like to be type 1000, we have to be write 10 hertz. We will 10 hertz write at the R100, and answer we will take in the R50. Okay, and click OK. And this connections you can make this one with your, and again this program you have to be download into the PLC. And when you write the value at the R100, after your value will be shown automatically moves in the R50, multiply makes and moves in the R50. How this value, we will open our calculator and I will show you how this value converts. Where is the calculator? This is calculator. For an example, you like to write the 10 hertz. See, this is the 10 hertz. How much we multiply? 100. Multiply by 100. Answer is how much? 1000. So when we write the 1000 at R50, our VFD will be equal with 10 hertz. And if we like to 20 hertz, for example, this is, you can see, cancel this all, 20 multiply by 100 and click OK, and this is a 2000 will be moved. Because of when we like to be 20 hertz type, you have to be type 2000. So this formula we can use in the PLC. And now I will download this program again and I will show you this is how it works. This just only we will check the PLC online, auto check, click OK, and again it's downloaded. First this software automatic stop the PLC and download the program, and after this will be write the data. Now our program is successfully downloaded, and go and run the PLC. It's asking okay, now it's running. Now we have to be connect our HMI again. And just click it now, scroll down, and here also we have to be change the data register. Which one we decided? R100, right? R100. Again cross check this one, R100. We have to be write the value at R100. Okay, this is again download to the HMI. Now our camera is open and this program is now downloading to the HMI again, and now you can just type the 10 Hz directly at the HMI and our VFD will be runs at the 10 Hz. Now our program is successfully downloaded and all finished. Click exit and you can open your HMI. Now you can see in our camera there is nothing have any value. As I make it on the start command, first we have to be start this one, and now there is nothing any frequency. For example, we like to type the 10 Hz. I will type the 10 Hz and start forward, click enter, and your motor is started at the 10 Hz. Now this is also showing 1000 because of this is also still not change makes in the PLC. If you like to also see it here 10 Hz, what you have to be do here in the program, also you can show this data converts look like multiplication make, and show this data which one we are showing on the, now we are showing the data R5 R6, sorry, in the table I already shown. Here you can see this is the R6, we are directly writing the data at the R6. If we convert this data R6 into the another data register and after make multiplication, and after you can change this value also. So okay, and this is for example we like to be write 20 Hz, we will write the 20, click enter, and your VFD will be go at the 20 Hz. And if you like to change the direction, you have to be put in reverse condition, your VFD first stop and after go into the reverse condition, right? And if you like to stop your motor, just click on the stop, your motor will be stop. And if you again like to type this one 10 Hz, click enter, and after start your motor and your VFD will be go at the 1000 means 10 Hz. Okay, so hope guys you will be understand about this program, how we can write the value from the HMI into the VFD and how we can take the feedback from the VFD. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.